Good day everyone. So today we'll be following the tutorial on how to create your AdSense. In this tutorial I'll be showing you several pro tips you haven't known in the past, how to create not just Nigerian AdSense account, not even just your country AdSense account, but other countries AdSense account. Some tips will be listed in this video. This is super packed. Okay, once again I'm Fidelis, and if you're watching this video on YouTube, please if you're watching this video on YouTube, please head over to Facebook, search niche blogging Nigeria. Okay, we have about 4,600 people who are learning blogging and being profitable at it. We post a lot of free videos with pro tips in it, okay, that teaches you how to be profitable at blogging. We also have some cheap courses that helps you go through blogging profitably. Courses as low as even $1. So in this video tutorial, and if you're watching on Facebook, please don't forget to head over to YouTube. This is where most free videos drop first. Search my name on YouTube, Fidelis Uzuawala, or you follow the link within this video, and make sure you are subscribed and turn on the bell notification icon, where we share a lot of videos. So before I dive right into the tip, let me quickly tell you this. Okay, if you're watching this video for the very first time or hearing about AdSense for the very first time, there are a lot of videos everywhere, but if you're watching this in the course, here will teach you what is AdSense and why it's required. I also made this particular video free, and this one you're currently watching will be free, okay, where I told you about all you need to know about AdSense. If you don't know anything about AdSense, watch this video. You have the full picture about AdSense, verification, closure, and the rest. I just breezed through the tip. Okay, so and this course, I have this course I'm currently making. The course will be dropping today, sometime in a few hours from now. So this course teaches you about how to approve AdSense easily. It uses a method of a kind of niche that AdSense can approve quick and easy. Inside this course you find out that niche, and apart from that, this course also teaches you how to get started with blogging A to Z. This course teaches you several approval methods on AdSense. This course teaches you how to prevent ads limits, how to remove it, tips you should know while buying AdSense, and some guides that will help you to avoid AdSense bans and closure, how to increase AdSense CPC, how to get more clicks on AdSense the white hat way, and how to dispatch traffic. It also comes with a Zoom meeting where I showed everyone the overview of blogging, an hour 26 minutes video, an hour 26 minutes long video. Okay, so if you're watching this now, the course is currently selling for $10. I think it's less than $20 for 10,000, which is less than $20, and this course is fully packed. The actual price is worth up to $100 or more. Okay, but for today and a couple of hours before it releases, you still get it for 10,000 naira, which is $20. So if you are interested in learning these methods, get this course before it goes away. Let's dive right into the video tutorial where I show you. You can even see I'm currently editing this course. This video is currently out, where I showed ultimate guide to avoid AdSense bans and the rest. So we'll dive right into the video tutorial. So creating AdSense account. By creating your AdSense account, I had to make a long list of tips to help you and guide you through the creation process before I dive right into the screen showing you how to actually create this AdSense account, right? So here are some of the tips. The first tip is you should try as much as possible to create a fresh Gmail account with real names, because all Google products are tied to a Gmail account, right? So create a fresh Gmail account with real full name details. If possible, have a profile picture on that Gmail account. More on this when I go on to the next video, which is definitely going to be a paid video for those who got the access to this course on how to verify your AdSense account. Okay, this is highly recommended and required. Okay, and if you are the type, okay, we'll talk about this in the country. Okay, check that the website is not banned. The website you plan to use, check it is not banned. Okay, those who will be buying websites, who will be using expired domains, okay, for their blog because of SEO reasons, okay, make sure you check that this expired domain has not been banned from AdSense, okay, by AdSense rather. So one of the best ways to check this is to use a Google AdSense sandbox. There are a lot of them on Google search, so you can search Google AdSense sandbox, but most of them are not really so great at giving you the correct answers if these domains are banned or not. Okay, make sure you do your due diligence before you go on to creating this AdSense. And if you own this domain in the past, make sure you check through memory lane to see if this domain was banned by AdSense in the past. Then the next tip is to check that the Gmail has not been used for AdSense before. I think this is obviously one of the first people do check. So people will definitely know. So because you're the one who's using this Gmail before, you have to check that the current Gmail you are logged into has not been banned from AdSense in the past, else you will not be able to use a Gmail that has been banned for AdSense to create a new AdSense account. Okay, another thing to check is check that the recovery email you are using for this current Gmail does not have AdSense tied to it. If it has AdSense tied to it, AdSense will detect and will tell you to close either one of the two AdSense. And if you fail to close any of them, AdSense will close both. You lost both Gmail accounts. So this is very vital. And this also applies to phone number you are using as recovery phone number. Instead of using a phone number that has AdSense in the past, it's preferred you leave these phone numbers blank. So check your IP connection. Okay, the IP connection that you are connected to, your internet connection, the IP address, that you are not passing your browser through any VPN or anything while choosing a country. Okay, this is very necessary. Well, for those who will be looking at creating a UK or US AdSense, there are steps and tips. I'll share this pro tip. A pro tip would be, for example, you're trying to create a UK AdSense, you can select the Gmail country of this AdSense as Turkey. Okay, select the country, that's the language rather, of the Gmail you are using as Turkish. Okay, then you make sure that the domain and hosting you are using for your website is registered in one of those Turkish registrar. Then another tip is your name in your Gmail should be like a Turkey name. The phone number can be a US phone number that can receive PIN. Okay, then then that's all for your Gmail account. Okay, more of this tip in verifying AdSense. I have a lot of them in verifying AdSense. That particular video is not going to be free. It's going to be open to only those who got the course. Okay, and that's about that, creating a different country. There are other ways to create different countries like US AdSense. Okay, but this particular I just listed earlier on is just to get your UK AdSense. You can also choose to change the currency of your AdSense. It depends on you when the AdSense has been fully approved and verified. Okay, so another tip is don't use same browser you've used previously to log into AdSense. Okay, a simple way of doing this is to make sure you use Google Chrome and you create multiple profiles on Chrome. So creating multiple profiles on Chrome is pretty easy. You hover on your name icon at the top right end of your Chrome. It can be your name icon. Okay, then once you click on it, you see a long list of profiles you already have. Well, if you don't have profile, unlike me, I have a lot of profiles, you can scroll down and click the plus sign and add. This will take you to a new window that tells you, do you want to create a new Gmail for this profile? You click yes. You can create a new Gmail or log in to an existing Gmail. Now what this profile does is it's creating a different browser entirely, that stores a different cookie, that syncs a different data. It's just on that browser, so you can swipe or navigate to this browser to access anything in that browser. This is very important for you to be able to maybe run multiple Gmail accounts or multiple browsers with different Gmail profiles. Okay, it's also good for your AdSense too. So the next tip I'll be sharing to you is, after creation, don't log in with multiple browsers or phones. So after you're done creating this AdSense account, don't go and start logging into that Gmail with multiple browsers and trying to access the AdSense to confirm if it has been approved or not. Just keep your eye on your email. So we'll dive right into creating this AdSense quick and easy in this video tutorial. Okay, now I'm in a different Chrome profile. As you can see, it has a different background. You can customize whichever way you want. Okay, I'm already logged into a Gmail account I want to use for this video training. So the first step, the next thing to do is to visit this address, google.com/adsense. google.com/adsense. It will redirect you to google.com/adsense/start. Okay, next thing to do is click on get started. It has a very simple UI for registration. Then you select that Google, the Gmail account you want to use for the AdSense then you select it. Okay, it pops here. You make sure you put your website, confirm that this website is correctly spelled without any error. Okay, you choose yes here for you to get customized support and suggestion. Well, you're just starting out AdSense, obviously, so it's good you tick here so that you don't make AdSense feel that you are a pro already. Okay, then you select the country you are in, the country you currently live in. Don't go and select a different country because it will be required for PIN verification. Though in the verification video on AdSense, you can I shared some tips you can use to verify different countries AdSense. There are a lot of people out there who does this verification. Then you click on start using AdSense. It logs you into AdSense and tells you your domain is awaiting approval, or might show you some other few steps. So keep your eye on your Gmail account, waiting for an email letting you know if the domain was disapproved or was approved. So this will be all. Catch you guys in the next, and don't forget to get hold of this course. It is so tips and tutorial fully packed. It teaches you step by step how to easily get your AdSense approved on your blog. Get your AdSense approved on your blog quick and easy. You can see screenshot of those I've approved in the past. This is 2022, 2021, November 2022. This is 2022. So it gives you step by step how to get access to AdSense approval on your blog. It shows you a niche with faster approval. So get this course. The link will be somewhere around this video. Catch you guys.